That sounds nice. Big block 502. Ooh-wee. Factory code 75, cranberry red. Clean under the vinyl top. Small little imperfections there. That's an easy fix, just that little part. It's a beast. Over 500 horse. Cragar wheels, bucket seats, console gauges. Did I mention power steering, power disc brakes, and air conditioning? Yep, all in one. There you have it, folks. MGMClassicCars.com. I have over 150 hand-picked muscle classic cars available to you. Look at that. Doesn't stop. Call or text me. Financing and delivery is available. My number is 847-848-1850.